2 screws here. And everything's secure. My light switch is still off, down. And I'm gonna go ahead and spin these off. Yeah, just 3 nuts. Hold my right hand, because right hand, my working hand. My non-working hand is left, so I put those 2 in the pocket. All right, so this is probably one of the challenging parts. Because I want to get secured. But this is when it's nice to have someone to help you. It's awkward. Try to figure this out. So you can see this thing is pretty resilient, especially given, I'm just gonna hang on to this. Not for, it'd be great to have 2 people right now, but I don't have that. But courtesy to this product, it shows its robustness. So I got those, right. Let's screw this guy on there. And I'm just going to reuse the ones that I had. It does cost some. Alright, so now I want to hold this because I don't want to undo that. And here. No worries. Let's see. Oh, that is not cool. Alright. Let's get one out of this. 2, 3. Alright, we're gonna refresh this. I'm gonna go with this ground wire because there's a screw up there. And I can hang from that. I think that's the way to go. I bet you someone's watching saying, come on man, you get better at that. Well, that's how we learn, right? So there's a wire right here. Of course, this is not what I want. It's a 2 I want. So let's see if I can. Oh, that is super awkward. I can't only imagine what kind of face I'm making right now. There we go. And is gonna be great. All right, that's a lot easier to leave. All Everything is LED, not plastic, so. Alright, my flat's up here. I'm gonna make this tighter. Just a little bit. Alright, now we can play these other guys. A little bit easier. So I hope. So this is like actual copper wire from the house, which is really stiff. So get it wrapped around as much as I can. And then, alright. And then, I'll give this guy a little test. Alright. Alright, let's test it before I turn it off. And what I'll do is wait for it. Alright. Not bad. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna leave it on while I finish it up. So there shouldn't be a shock, right? No, you guys don't see this video. Actually, let me do one screw at a time. Don't want to drop it. Oh man. That is not being nice. Shut it. Oh, you guys growing. screw. And we're going, let's make sure to tuck the wires in. Alright, man. That's what I said. Alright, I said it took probably less than an hour, I think. I have to look, but I know. So it's gonna be that bad. But I think we'll kill it once.